Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital ebook in Canva. Let's get started. Creating a digital ebook is one of the best ways to build your brand and generate income online, as you can create a single product and sell it for years. Whether you're an author, a coach, or a business owner, an ebook is a powerful tool for sharing your knowledge. Canva makes this process incredibly simple, with its intuitive design tools and ready-made templates. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from starting a new project to exporting your finished book. First, navigate to canva.com and either sign into your account or create a new free one. Once you're on the homepage, you have two main paths. You can use the search bar at the top to search directly for ebook templates, which will show you hundreds of pre-designed options. Alternatively, you can start from a custom blank page, which is great if you have a very specific vision. For this guide, we'll start with a custom size to ensure everything is set up correctly from the beginning. Click the Create a Design button in the top right corner and then select Custom Size from the drop-down menu. A small window will appear. It's important to change a unit from pixels to inches for a standard ebook format. A common and professional size for ebooks and digital reports is 8.5 inches by 11 inches, which mimics a standard US letter size and is easy for readers to view on screens or print at home. Enter these dimensions and click Create New Design. You will now see a blank canvas. While you could design every single element from scratch, the fastest and easiest method is to use one of Canva's professionally designed templates. On the left-hand sidebar, click on the Templates tab. Here, you'll find thousands of options. You can type ebook into the Templates search bar to filter the results specifically for book layouts. As you scroll, pay attention to the small icons on the templates. A small crown symbol indicates a pro element that requires a paid Canva subscription, while templates without this crown are completely free to use on the free plan. Browse through the options until you find a template that fits the style and tone of your ebook, whether it's professional, playful, educational, or inspirational. When you find one you like, hover over it. Many ebook templates consist of multiple pre-designed pages for covers, introductions, chapters, and resource sections. You can see a preview of the pages. To apply the entire set of pages to your project, simply click on the template. A pop-up will ask if you want to apply all pages. Click Apply All Pages. Your blank canvas will now be populated with a complete, multi-page starting point that you can customize. Now, it's time to make it your own. The first page is usually the cover. Click on any placeholder text to edit it. Highlight the default title and type in your own ebook's title. You can use the toolbar above to change the font, size, and color to match your brand. To change images, click on a placeholder photo. On the left sidebar, you can click Uploads to add your own images or logos from your computer. Alternatively, you can use Canva's vast free library by clicking Photos in the sidebar and searching for keywords related to your topic. Drag your chosen image onto the canvas to replace the old one. You can adjust its size and position by clicking and dragging the corners. To maintain a consistent and professional look, it's a good idea to establish a color scheme. Click on any colored element, like a shape of the background, and use the color picker in the top toolbar to change it. You can input a specific brand hex code or choose a new color from the palette. This color can be applied to backgrounds, text boxes, and accent elements throughout your ebook to create cohesion. Continue working through the template page by page. The following pages might be in About the Author section, a table of contents, or chapter introductions. Replace all the lorem ipsum filler text with your own valuable content. For pages like a table of contents, simply update the page numbers and chapter titles to reflect your actual ebook structure. What if the template you chose doesn't have the right type of page for a specific section, like a worksheet or a testimonials page? No problem. You can easily mix and match. Go back to the Templates tab, find a single page layout you like, For example, a clean page with a title and bullet points for a worksheet, and click on it. Instead of applying all pages, you'll see an option to add a new page with that design. This will insert just that one page into your project. You can drag pages up and down in the page navigator on the right side to reorder your eBook's flow. A great feature for eBooks that include offers is adding clickable links. If you want to direct readers to a website, a product page, or your social media, you can make any text or graphic clickable. Simply double-click on the text or element, and a link icon will appear in the top toolbar. Click it, paste your URL, and apply. When your ebook is exported as a PDF, this link will be live, allowing readers to click through directly from the document. Once you have customized every page, it's time to review and export. Use the arrow keys or the page navigator to scroll through your entire ebook from cover to finish, checking for consistency and any typos. When you're satisfied, click the Share button in the top right corner, then select Download. For a digital ebook, the best format is PDF print. This ensures high quality and preserves your layout, fonts, and clickable links. Make sure all pages is selected, and then click Download. Your finished ebook will save to your computer as a single, polished PDF file. Your new digital ebook is now ready to be shared with the world. You can upload it to your website as a free lead magnet to grow your email list. Sell it on platforms like Shopify or Gumroad, or distribute it directly to your audience. It's a versatile asset that you created quickly and professionally, all within Canva.
By the way, if you want to use Canva and social media to make extra money each month, one of the simplest ways is by creating and selling digital products. It's very beginner-friendly. You can make something like an ebook, checklist, or guide in Canva once, then sell it over and over again with almost no ongoing costs. That means profit margins are extremely high, and you don't need to work crazy hours. You don't even have to show your face if you don't want to. Literally just 3 to 5 hours of work per week can realistically make you thousands per month in profit. If you want to see exactly how this works step by step, start by watching the free video linked in the description.